Family, welcome back to the channel, Retro Electronic Repair. Today we've got a Buzz Lightyear. It's the original Thinkway toys. I think it's 1995 maybe. Don't quote me on that. Subscriber sent this in to me, and someone who's on a Discord I'm in, on Car Boot Chris's Discord. He said it wasn't working at all, so I said I'd take a look at it, but this is going to be a quick video because this is going to be a real simple one. Let's show you what's wrong with this one. Right, I wasn't even going to make a video on this one. This should be a real quick video. So basically, he told me no sounds were working on it, but the wings work. Yes, the wings do work. Pop open. These bits don't stay up, but I've had a quick look, and these are sealed units. So if it was mine, I might try taking them off and taking it apart. But I think that involves a lot of work, and I'm doing this as a freebie for JP, and as it's original, these things can be worth, I mean, if you've got a box one, you can probably get about £100 from this one in this condition. I don't know, wings aren't working properly, but still might be worth 50 quid, 50 to 70 quid, some of them. Right, so first of all, I was finding out where the batteries go on this. You press the buttons, the wings pop out.
I protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion.
I've got the battery cover. Turn it off a minute. My volume's peaking. Let me turn it down a bit. Hopefully the volume's better now. Right, so I've taken the battery cover off. Batteries are in here. When I first turned it on, which is a switch under here, it was right. It wasn't working at all. There was no sounds or anything. All I've done is rotate the batteries and it's working.
I am Buzz Lightyear. The galaxy is safe once again. I'm stationed up in the Gamma Quadrant of Sector 4.
Everything's working.
Yes, I need to rendezvous with Switching to internal air supply.
Right, let's turn him off. He's annoying. Not on the demo. Off. Right, so the reason why this wasn't working when he sent it to me is it's got battery corrosion in it, or the terminals have got battery corrosion. Let me zoom in a bit. That one isn't too bad. You can see there has been a little bit of corrosion down there, but I think the main one, not sure how well you're going to see that, but hopefully you can see that that's got rust all over it. See, I'm flicking it off, and it's literally just on the end contact. Right, so all I'm going to do with this one is just get a bit of distilled vinegar or white vinegar, take a cotton bud, dip it in there, just get some on the end of that, just dab it on. Hopefully that will start eating away at some of that rust. Does stink a bit. I'll put some over this other side. It's not as bad, but it has got some on it. A little bit of corrosion on that one. All the other terminals are absolutely fine. So that's that. I'm just going to leave that to soak for maybe 5 minutes, couple of minutes. Alright, it's been there a good few minutes now. I'm just going to get this kitchen towel in there, just try and dry some of that vinegar out off of it. I'm just going to get some of my IPA, some isopropyl alcohol, which I keep in this bottle because it's just easier to decant it. Where's my big bottle? Rather than being in this massive 1 litre bottle. So yeah, so I'm just going to soak the cotton bud and just try and get this, any crud or the last of that vinegar out of there. Get another fresh cotton bud. Just trying to clean it all out quick. Just unstuck that from the back, but I'll stick that back on quick. tip some on it for good measure. Right, and that should be that. Don't have to clean that alcohol out because that will just naturally evaporate. And now just the last thing I'll do, I've got a tiny bit of sandpaper here. I've forgotten what grit this is. I think it's off there. I think it's a 400 grit, so it's quite a fine sandpaper. It's not too aggressive. And all I'm going to do is just rub it along the end of that spring. Because that's the part that makes contact with the battery. And it's literally just the end of the spring that's rusted. I'll just give this other one a quick wipe as well, but this one looks fine. And that is looking better already. I don't know if you can see, but that's nice and shiny now. I'll pick up them little bits of rust to put in there. And that should literally be it. I should now just be able to put these batteries back in and have no trouble with it working first time. I can even put my multimeter on the voltage and just check. I think it's goes from up there to down here. 4.5 volts, which is right. It's just over 4.5 actually, so these batteries are really good. 4.7 volts, so that's more than 1.5 in all them batteries. I have already checked them. Always check your batteries before you start messing around with this. And that's going to be about it for this one. So switching back on, and I'm confident it's going to work straight away. Already seen his head move.
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
And that
I'm stationed up in the Gamma Quadrant of...
is that.
The air isn't toxic. How dare you open a space fence him on an uncharted planet? My eyeballs could have been sucked from their sockets.
Oh, need to stick that back in.
Are you ready for adventure in uncharted space? I am Buzz.
There we go, that is it. Nice, short, quick one for you. I will stick that back in there. But yeah, if you think the battery terminals are corroded, and they are, give them a quick clean with a vinegar, tiny bit of fine sandpaper, and you should be good to go. If they're any worse than that, I have got videos where I've actually replaced battery terminals. I might link that the one at the end of this. Go and check that out. They're pretty cheap to buy. But yeah, that's it for now. Just a quickie. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.